How to make Facebook account locked. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to make a Facebook account locked. First, launch the Facebook app on your phone. Next, tap the More tab and tap the gear icon at the top. Now select the Privacy Checkup option. Here, tap on the first option, Who can see what you share. You will see different buttons on the screen. Hit the Public button and choose each option to Only Me. Now, to make it locked, ensure that all the options are Only Me. After that, tap the Next button to save all the changes. Next, go back to Settings and then select the Activity Status option in the list. Then simply turn off the Activity Status button and it will be locked. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.